Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Overcooked 2. First, familiarize yourself with the simple controls for moving your chef and interacting with kitchen items. Your main objective is to prepare and serve various dishes to hungry customers before their patience runs out. Teamwork is crucial. You'll need to coordinate closely with up to 3 other chefs to achieve a high score. The core gameplay involves several key actions. You'll be chopping vegetables, cooking meats, and washing a steady stream of dirty dishes. Once a dish is complete, quickly deliver it to the serving window for points. Be mindful of dynamic kitchen layouts and hazards like fires, which require a fire extinguisher to put out. Successful play hinges on effective team coordination. Talk to your teammates about who is doing what, like one chef chopping and another cooking. Assigning roles, such as a dedicated washer or server, can significantly boost efficiency. Always plan your cooking steps a few moves ahead to prevent any chef from waiting idly. To truly master Overcooked 2, utilize advanced techniques. Throwing ingredients across the kitchen saves valuable seconds, especially in larger levels. Always prioritize orders with shorter timers or those that are simpler to complete first. Consistent practice across various kitchen layouts and diverse recipes will sharpen your skills for 3-star victories.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.